So I hear y'all want to know how to grip when you cornrow. Let me show you.
Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, like it when you bite it.
Hey friends, welcome to my channel, Adia Sherelle. Get into it, get into it, get into it, get into it. I am going to be showing you how I got this hairstyle, my straight back cornrows. It is no added hair, no pomade, gel, grip, nothing, braid this, slick back, nothing. It is just leave-in condition. I did it like that because when you put the pomades and the waxes and all of that, you go to moisturize your hair, it is not penetrating like it needs to, okay? Because it's blocked by the layers of product you got on top of your head.
Let's get into this tutorial right now.
I'm just gonna take a little bit of my kinky curly knot today. We want to split off a section right here, okay? So you see what I did there? Then we're going to split the section into 3. Like so. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now, how you grip it. You want to grip with all the other fingers except for your index. You want that index finger to be free. The middle is just hanging out. It's just doing this thing. And the same thing for the outer piece on the top. We'll call this the top piece. That is gripped with everything, just as long as your index finger is free. Now that we got that underway, take your index finger for the bottom piece and then go behind the middle. You see what's happening here? Go behind the middle and grab the top piece. Now the top piece is in the middle section. Take your index finger from the top hand, go behind the middle piece and grip up the bottom. All right, you see what I did there? Now the bottom piece is in the middle. Again, take this bottom index finger, go behind the middle piece, and then go to the top. Now this time you want to actually grip some hair when you snatch it through, all right? Take your index finger, kind of slice through that piece, go behind the middle, and then you want to grip up some hair on this side, okay? You want to grip up some hair on this side. It's all gripped up in there. Now that's in the middle again. Slice through and grip up some hair on this side. Okay? Kind of slice through again, through the middle, behind the middle, and then grip up some hair on that side. And that will start to form your braid. And all the while, like my index fingers are always, my tips of my fingers are like always up on my scalp. Okay? Always. And then keep going with the same process. Now I'm just taking my time because the ends get tangled as you're braiding. So just, you know, finger to tingle it out. All right, back to the close-up. if you don't, say if I braid it with my head straight up like this, when I go to bend my head down, it's gonna feel like my BDB is about to rip off the back of my neck. Like, it's gonna feel so tight, you're not gonna feel like you can move your neck, okay? So just make sure you braid with your head down once you get to the back. Okay. Just finish the braid. And then once I get to the bottom, I just twist it instead. It's just easier to take out. That's all. Easier on your little fragile ends. Okay. All right, I'm going to show you all again. Taking that front section, okay? Split it into 3, like so. 1, 2, 3. Take your index finger, so grip with all your fingers except for the index. The middle could hang out, do whatever it wants. And then the top part, grab all with every finger except for the index. Just leave the index fingers free. Go behind the middle piece and grab the outside piece. Now the outside is in the inside, okay? Go behind the middle piece, grab the outside piece. All right, now that outside piece is in the middle. It's in the middle. Take your index finger from the other side, go behind the middle. Now this time I want you to grip some hair. You saw I just gripped some hair. Ooh, from the back section. Sorry, that went out of focus real quick. And kind of slice, take your index finger, kind of slice through, and then you grip some hair. That finger grips some hair. Now this kind of slice through, make sure it's all separated, and then they grip some hair. And then slice through and pick up some hair on that side. And you keep repeating that process. Yes, slice through and pick up some hair on the other side. Slice through, pick up some hair on the other side. And all the while, you see all my fingers are connected to my scalp. That's what helps with the grip. You never lose that grip. Okay? Never lose that grip. And continue with your braid all the way to the back. Everything just stays close to the scalp so you have that tightness. And you want to take an even amount of hair each time. This way it could look uniform. I know you are. Stay with me now. And you see how once you get the hang of this, you could go so much quicker. Okay? It just takes practice. And you will get there. But the thing is, people are like, oh, I just can't do it. And then they stop. But no, the key is to keep going. That's with anything, really, right? You just have to keep practicing, keep going. And then one day you're just going to be like, wow, I just braided my whole head and it looks good. I'm encouraging you on today to please do not give up. Keep trying. And you'll be real happy when you save that money too.
All right, I'm just adding a little bit more of my leave-in, getting it in my nape and the ends of my hair just to make sure it is nice, healthy, and moisturized. And it is all done.
Thanks for watching. I love all the support that you all give and taking the time out to watch one of my videos. Hope that is helpful and you got some good information. And now you know how to grip. You know how to do the grip for the cornrows, okay? You got to really get up in there. All right? I'm done. Thanks for watching.